I've been in the sandy, bushy dunes ever since I was a young kid. Ever since I moved out of Burger Town.
And I haven't been in an area like this since ancient Egypt. Brother, this is amazing, isn't it?
What are you growing, brother? Are you good at the game?
Yes. A flag boy.
Oh, Sydney, we totally made it, but we're still in the summer heat,
Yeah, that's so not cool. Anyways, there's plants over there. Let's go. Look at them.
Boom, boom, boom. Gonna get them. Good. Oh, nice.
Cheap
Very
shot,
good.
buddy.
I'm stomach
Take the sandy
ache.
bushy dunes.
Stomach ache.
Oh my god.
The brothers will make quick work of you plum-eating weirdos. Think of a better day.
My army man tokens are good.
Ancient time Bulbasaur plushie.
Boom.
Femur.
Everyone die.
I can't do this. Broken nose.
Brother, where did you go?
I'm the messenger zombie and I'm here to save you.
Oh my gosh, you're finally getting some screen time.
I know,
Oh
right?
my God.
Let's make
These sandy, bushy, boom. These dunes are too bushy.
I know, Sydney, help.
Ow!
Sydney, I'm
Ow.
stuck.
I'll help you. Oh, I know
Thank
you won't.
girl.
Ouch.
Stop it, Paco. You're totally ruining the beach vibe.
Yeah, and you hurt my brother. No, you didn't. But
Ancient time brothers quinoa attack.
Oh my gosling.
Good job, brother. You made it out of that one good.
I can't breathe. Die.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Oh, we must kill him. What is happening, everybody?
Hey, come here, pea shooter. Get off me.
Oh, what's happening to the veil there? That totally doesn't fit.
Cheyenne.
What? Ah!
Why are you shooting me, pea shooter? Hi-ya.
These sandy bushy dunes are good. Pina colada.
You must think you're pretty good at the game.
Why do you have a big diamond?
How about that, huh?
Oh, these big stushy monsters aren't gonna get us.
Superstition.
I have a superstition attack.
Stuart Little.
That reminded me of Stuart Little when he was gay. Heal everyone except Bomb Cloth Boy. All right,
Peter
we're back.
Pan.
Oh, Cherry Shooter.
I'll added the tombstone TNT.
Get stuck.
Oh no. Sydney, these bushes are crazy dumb.
I know. I'm dying over here.
What is
Ow.
Paco doing?
Ow, a stomach ache. I think he has a stomach ache.
Oh, I hate that girl.
Oh, I love eating.
Back and ready for action.
Can't do that.
I can't believe you.
Pinhead! Wait, why am I even here? What the heck is happening?
Come on, Pinhead, we need to kill him.
Oh,
Caroline.
wow. Oh,
Carolina
okay.
Reno.
Oh, Bush.
Okay. Sydney, where are you, girl? It's getting
I
crazy
know,
out here.
I'm almost dying.
Hello.
Is this a reference to Frozone or something? Gummy bear, get your gummy bears. Get your gummy bears free and you... Oh, it's the boss. Yeah, I am souped up on plant food and you will die.
Anciently good. Wait, everyone. It's time. It's time for my special attack. Are you ready, Sydney? Because this is about to blow your mind. Watch and learn. We do everything.
Oh my gosh, I'm on fire!
How about a bush?
Oh, you can't keep me trapped in here.
Polo. Polo.
Oh, buy one, get one free. I am stuck. Chomper.
Amateurs.
Bathroom attack. Okay, everybody.
How am I still alive?
You
Tall
aren't.
bear.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh.
Emerald.
What?
Watch your mouth, you're gray.
Cherry shooter.
Treat your mother rhinestone.
He got sent to the rhinestone. I'm back from the dorm, got my mama. Oh.
Take a slap to the mind.
Oh.
Silence, murder.
Come on, you can't die that quickly. You're the mini-boss.
Birthday surprise.
Your right stomach ache.
Stomach emerald. Let's get these guys. Flame whip.
My name is Among Us. Oh, please, you're an adopted boy.
Tall bear.
Oh,
Hey, Pete ain't done yet. Listen, this is my hometown. Among Us.
oh. Among Us is a game you can play.
Let's finish this. Oh, nice. Bush.
Oh, ay, 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 ay.
Mine, mama, mine.
Oh. Wait, if the mini boss is dead, that means that it's time for Among Us. It's time for Among Us.